Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here in Naples, Italy, here at the city center, and I'm gonna tour you around. We'll go in circle. Let's check what is this. We are here in the city center of Naples, Italy. There is a lot of shop over there. It's 6:30 p.m. here, and we have a quick lunch, a quick dinner. Okay. Look at the building. Tabi tayo guys kasi may nagpo-football sa mga bata. Look at the view. And Navi Group is over there. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and God bless us.